Hey y'all, let's make lunch. So every now and then I enjoy some processed food. Let's be real, we know what it is. And this is what it looks like. And I love these ice drinks. They are so full of nutrition, zero sugar. Now, what I'm adding is some nutritional yeast, which contains all of the B vitamins. You don't want to cook that. So I turned the eye off and I'm just letting that cool down, added the nutritional yeast, and it dissolves. The nutritional yeast tastes like cheese. It's really delicious, and I have been seeing really good improvement with that. So I adore the nutritional yeast. We can get into that on a later day. Also, we can get into some other foods and nutrition that you can actually add into your food. But I love this chicken noodle soup, y'all. That was it right now for lunch. So here's my drink, here is my soup, and I did add a little piece of seaweed. As you can see, that's kind of over there breaking down, dissolving as well. Y'all have to stay tuned because we are about to make these a viral piece of bowls, snacks, whatever it is.